stored promethium in the refinery to destroy the enemy swarm. The Cadians were tasked with providing assistance, but we have since... First, proceed to the Cadian outpost and establish their fate. You must then infiltrate the refinery and complete demolitions deployment. Trigger detonation only when the main swarm has entered the plaza zone. Captain Akaram will coordinate our efforts over Boris.
I have been dying to carve up some seeds. Xeno scum sighted! Kill it before it moves for aid! One down. Trillions to go. Replenished and ready. Closing the gap. Stay dead, running. Tether unbound. That covering fire. Keep them, bastards. Into the maw of death! Xenos Devourer marked. Hawk available. Disappointing! I'm let go for help! Tyranid unit sight. Throwing crack grenades! Living Bastion cut! Tyranid fly marked! Into the fray! Some warrior! Grab the torch! Contact ready. Even after death, I will battle on. A good start, nothing more. Reloading. Carney thinks and I were both out for blood. Swapping out magazine. Ordnance on me! I shall be claiming this.
First waypoint ahead. Let us enter the camp.
Captain, I hear no signs of battle. No life signs detected. Talassa, you need to acquire the Astra Militarum demolition codes required to deploy and arm their ordnance. Source one from any soldier you see, alive or otherwise. Officer found. No codes.
Finished and ready. Come out, you craven xenon! Or come here, spend all day turning out pockets! Nice one! Screaming for help! Silence them! What comes here to spend all day turning out pockets? Into the fray! What needs grappling? What come here to spend all day turning out pockets? Reloading!
Refilling magazines.
Captain, we are ready to get the demolition started.
Proceed to the Prometheum refinery and complete the demolition preparations.
Smells like fresh munitions. Good to go. I crave a bloodbath or a blood shower. Enough crude Prometheum here to burn for years. Finish that bastard, or you have more to I am ensnared! Finish what you started, huh? Everyone down! Swapping out magazine! Crack grenade out! to re-engage the enemy. Show me who did this. May I be reborn as a dreadnought. Grapple launcher set. Eye beast sighted. See, and then I take over. Grapple launch. Hook available. Finish and ready. Tending to my wounds. No more Xenos.
Talassa, the Cadians are running out of time. How close are you to the Promethean facility?
Reaching the facility now.
You are making good time. We are going to need it.
Reap the Emperor's foes.
Use the cords to prime the wall and finish its deployment into the crit Promethean well. Cautiously, if you know what is good for you.
Disappointing!
Stim injection administered.
Ammunition restocked. Ready in payload delivery.
Rites of activation have been observed. The generators hum in the machine god's name. Crane sequencing initialized. Delivering payload.
We are angels of death. Decimus reporting. Where is the fight?
Hold generator 3, brothers.
Generator 3 is discharging irregular current. Eliminates these unholy fluctuations.
Did the enemy run out of weapons? Xenos Stalker Hunter. Too much damage inflicted. That covering fire. Keep them bastard.
X-axis aligned by the Omnissiah's will.
Let us
Hurry up, machine!
reaching generator 4.
Generator 4 is suffering mechanistic palpitations. Provide service before components are harmed. necessary cleansing to resume operation.
Train clear!
Trying train pursuit. Begin the chorus of locomotion edits. Line axis aligned. Overcrowding alert. Generator 1.
We are almost...
Unauthorized personnel. Observe your duties.
Magazine out! Magazine in! Arming up! Friendly fire! Reloading!
Demolition deployment sequence concluded. All errors logged under the Omnissiah's watchful oculus.
Ready to intercept the Tyranid above.
There is an observation platform overlooking the cryptomedium fields. It will make a good vantage for your ambush.
More numbers on your follow! Brain-walking high priest! Steal your mind! Into the fray! Cracking their armor! Should be a day that rebel will just set! Kill that damn so-and-so! Closing the gap! What needs grappling?
Stay close and sharp.
The only thing better than a chainsword is two chainswords. Grab your torch! Trying to stop my rage! Smoking out magazine! Finished! Acknowledged. More death!
We have arrived at Nozick's facility. Run distraction efforts as long as you can. Your plan is sound, brother. The swarm will be broken. I will hold you to that.
Changing magazine.
Round? No, we wait until the Xenos swarm reaches our position.
Us against 100,000 or 200,000 Tyranids. I like those odds even without the bomb. Fresh magazine in. Crack grenade hot. All specs prime. Rearming. A moment, brothers. Scanning. Reloading. I will not yield to these wounds. My Auspex cannot even compute their numbers.
Arrived at access point.
New scars in the making.
Iron Halo ready. The Codex approves our tactics.
All specs ready to scan.
Whom do I have to kill to get a good fight around here?
Stim supplies here.
Main swarm sighted. We await your signal.
Dig in. We need that bomb triggered for optimal yield. Orbital scan estimates the bulk of the swarm will not be in position for a while yet. Keep your heads and get it done.
Ah! Ha ha ha! Good. They come. I wondered how I might pass the time.
Promethium trap is ready for ignition. Clear the perimeter. We may be overrun, but never defeated.
electric burn.
We must shore up our perimeter!
Magazine out! Magazine in! Sending frag grenade! On! The Elysium is begging to be put to use!
The walls will not stop for long. We have more enemies on the
Halfway
horizon.
there, brothers. Keep it up.
Swapping magazine. Tyranids behind our front line.
The swarm has almost fully committed. Be ready for my mark.
Mortal wound.
Frag grenade out! Tether unbound! I die with my hands around their necks! Into the grave! That fire! Keep them lost!
You are clear to detonate. Cook those rotten bastards.
This is Decimus. Wish you could see these dead bastards.
Tyranid biosigns down 90% and falling. Swarm annihilation confirmed. Excellent work. Move to extract. Thunderhawk arriving at evac point. Ramp down and ready.
I will not die to our own trap. Move!
Extraction complete. Return.